Hello, God creatures. Welcome to my channel. I'm Francis Hayes Jones for those who are new. So, today we'll be making an eggplant meal prep. So, it's eggplant and rice. The green things on the rice is callaloo. I mix it with the rice. So, basically, most of these ingredients I got it from my garden. I made this summertime. So, you can see these eggplants. I did different shapes of eggplants this summer. I had so much tomatoes. Like I think that was the most I produced among other plants. So the eggplant, I process it, I blend it before I start cooking it. The difference with the shrimp and the steak in the eggplant is the shrimp doesn't produce as much water as the steak. The steak doesn't produce as much water as the shrimp is producing right now. See how much water the shrimp is in the pot. The steak, it was dry.